Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mueller, and today is MLD Monday, June 19th. And today's topic is, what are the 4 characteristics of a high-maintenance horse, such as one that has CPL or chronic swelling? Heel has identified 4 characteristics. 1, they're physically demanding. They need extra care physically to maintain the integrity of their well-being. This means one thing, and that's the word time. Some will need it daily, others are going to need it a few times a week. 2, they're emotionally demanding. Flare-ups are going to happen, so be emotionally prepared. Just when you think you've got it under control, a flare-up's going to happen, and you got to start all over again. 3, they're spiritually demanding. You ask yourself, why me, God? I can't answer that. But all I can say, nothing is by chance. So try and find the silver lining in this. And 4, they're financially demanding. There are numerous calls to the vets or trips to the equine vet clinic. And large vet bills get old fast. And it can be very trying. And most of us don't have the income of Jeff Bezos. An equine lymphatic practitioner can help restore hope, guidance, and support to these owners when everyone else has thrown the towel in. According to be part of the research, 95% of the owners do not want to euthanize their horse. They want help. To learn more about the basic professional curriculum, email me at info@healequine.com. To review the basic professional curriculum, go to www.healequine.com/lymphatic-curriculum. Better yet, schedule your free consultation to learn more about your journey of possibilities on how you can provide hope, guidance, support to this niche, untapped, neglected, and emerging market. And don't forget, put a ding in your universe for 2023. Believe in the possible.